morning children. Welcome to our IT class. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of chapter 6 HTML list and tables. In last class we have discussed about list and its different types. What is a list? List means it's a collection of related items that represent any information. And we discussed the type of list. There are three types of list. First one is ordered list, second one unordered list, third one definition list. In last class we have learned about ordered list. So today we are going to discuss the remaining topics, that is unordered list and definition list. The first one is unordered list. As the name suggests, unordered list means there is no order. Unordered list, also known as bulleted list. Unordered list can be represented using the tag UL and it should end with /UL. And this is the starting of unordered list and ending of unordered list. And each item in the unordered list should come inside LI tag, like in the ordered list. So unordered list is used to display a list of items in a random manner. Then the UL tag has one attribute, that is type. The UL tag has one attribute, that is type. The type attribute describes the type of bullet that appear with the list items. This type attribute can be three types. The type attribute of UL tag can be of three types. First one is disk. Second one is circle. Third one square. Unordered list has one attribute, that is type. These are the three values that we can give for this type attribute. The value bullet will come like this, and circle like this, and in square can be represented using like this. So these are the three values of type attributes. For example, if I am giving type equal to disk, then list of item will display like this. Instead of disk, I am giving square as type, then the list of item will be displayed like this. This is an unordered list. Here there is no order in this list item. For this we have used a bullets. This is the bullets to represent an unordered list. Let's see how to do this coding. Here I have started with HTML tag and then head tag, title as unordered list, body color I have given as yellow, then text as red, font size. Then here I have started the unordered list with UL tag. For UL tag there is one attribute that is called type. The value of an attribute for this UL tag is three types: disk, then square, circle. Here I have given disk. Then vegetable list. This is the heading. Then each item in the list I have given us in the LI tag. First one is onion, second one tomato, then third item is potato, fourth one is brinjal. And after that I have closed UL tag, then body tag, then HTML tag also closed. After saving the program, double click the program. So this is an unordered list. Here we can see that there is no order in the list. So this is also known as bulleted list. Unordered list also known as bulleted list. Here instead of disk I am giving circle. Then open the program. See the changes. This is circle. The type of UL tag is changed to circle. Then another value is square. Save the program and then run. See the changes. It is changed to square. So it is an unordered list. There is no order in this list. Next is definition list. Definition list we can represent it using the tag DL and it should close using /DL. Definition list also known as description list and it should start with DL and close with /DL. The definition list also known as description list. The definition list is created by using DL tag in conjunction with DT and DD tags. Here DT means definition term and DD means definition terms description. This is the description of this term. Definition list is created by DL tag in conjunction with DT and DD, where DT is the definition term and DD is the definition terms description. This is the description of this term. Let's see how to use DL tag to create a definition list. This is a definition list. Here, this is definition term and this is definition description. This is definition term and this one is definition description. This one also definition term and this one is definition description. So definition list should look like this. Let's see how to do the coding. Here in body tag, I have given a tag that is DL, that means definition list, and I have closed DL tag before body tag. After DL tag, I have given DT, that means definition term. This tag defines the description term. ATM is the description term. And for this term, I am giving a definition for this term. So you have to write this definition inside DD tag, that is definition description. Next one, sim is a definition term that should be right inside DT tag, definition term, and its description should be written inside a DD tag. After that, we have to close the DL tag, definition list. We have to close using /DL. Then save the program and let's open the program. So the output will look like this. This is definition term and this is definition description. This one also definition term. This one is definition description.
Unordered list. An unordered list is also called bulleted list. This type of list is generally used to display random items which never required to place in a sequential manner. The UL tag is used to define an unordered list. The UL tag has only type attribute which describe the type of bullet style which will appear with list items. There are 3 bullet styles that can be used in an unordered list: disk, circle, square. The default bullet style is disk in HTML. Let us use the UL tag to create an unordered list. Open HTML tag, open head tag, open title tag, unordered list or bulleted list, close title tag, close head tag. Open body tag, open B tag, winter clothes, close B tag. Open HR tag, open UL tag, open LI tag, sweaters, open LI tag, woolen clothes, open LI tag, gloves, open LI tag, jackets, close UL tag, close body tag, close HTML tag. Every list has the ability to be placed inside another list. For example, an ordered list can be nested inside an unordered list and vice versa. Ensure that the inner and outer list tags should be properly closed while creating nested lists. Open HTML tag, open head tag, open title tag, nesting of lists, close title tag, close head tag, open body tag, open B tag, fruits and vegetables, close B tag, open BR tag, open OL type equal square in double quotes, open LI tag, fruits, close LI tag, open UL tag, open LI tag, mango, close LI tag, open LI tag, grape, close LI tag, close UL tag, open LI tag, vegetables, close LI tag, open UL tag, open LI tag, potato, close LI tag, open LI tag, onion, close LI tag, close UL tag, close OL tag, close body tag, close HTML tag. Definition list. The definition list is also known as description list. The description list is created by using the DL tag in conjunction with DD and DT tags. The DL tag defines the entire description list. The DT tag defines the description term. The DD tag defines the description term's definition. Let us use the DL tag to create a definition list. Open HTML tag, open head tag, open title tag, definition list, close title tag, close head tag. Open body tag, open B tag, example of definition list, close B tag, open HR tag, open DL tag, open DT tag, beverages, close DT tag, open DD tag, hot and cold drinks, close DD tag, open DT tag, cappuccino, close DT tag, open DD tag, hot drinks, close DD tag, close DL tag, close body tag, close HTML tag.
So children, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned two types of list, unordered list and definition list. Unordered list means it is a list used to represent items in a random manner. It is also known as a bulleted list. We can create unordered list using UL tag. And there is one attribute for UL tag, that is type. And there are three values for type attribute, that is disk, circle and square. Next is definition list. Definition list is also known as a description list. To create a definition list, we can use DL tag in conjunction with DD tag and DT tag, where DT is the definition term and DD is the definition description. Hope all of you understood this topic. For any doubts or clarification, we will discuss in the live class. Thank you.